This kid is so trash.
Look at this, bro. Look
Are
at
you
this.
serious?
Right, fresh
How
out of
did
the
you
chest.
find that?
Fresh out of the chest, bro. If I don't win this game, then I'm actually trash, bro. One of the best
What chest
shotguns ever. I would say I would put this at like probably number 5, honestly. So good.
Kid over here, help me.
The capability of 200 headshot with a full
Help me,
charge.
bro. Why are you not over here?
Bro, you were
Stop
just by me
talking.
and then you just left me, bro.
Yeah, you shouldn't follow me. You should follow your teammates, buddy.
I was still over there. Look up, bro.
Come over here. So that if you die,
If
I'm
you
not
die, I
coming
think
over
it's
there.
my mommy.
But them kids are gonna shoot me when I go.
Well, make your way towards me, bro.
I'm running. I just literally saw a kid run like all the in that bunker. He think I'm gonna fall for that. I just saw him. Why are you doing that, bro?
What are you
Why are
saying?
you you're doing this?
Bro, stop!
He was just doing that.
It's charged shotgun. Shotgun is lethal, bro.
You got some mammoth ammo? Mammoth.
Yeah, mammoth. It's
Sniper.
called heavy bullets, bro. Come on. Bro, you
Give
really
it to
just
me,
said
homie.
mammoth ammo, bro.
It is mammoth ammo. I got a mammoth,
First of all,
so it's called man.
heavy bullets, and second of all, there's no such thing as a massive pistol, bro. A massive
No.
pistol. Instead of mammoth, it's a massive, bro.
Bruh.
Bro, where are you going? Stay by me, or else I'm booga-bomb you.
Let me see this kid I can shoot when I was there. Imagine I hit something.
Buddy, there's nobody even in the air.
No, imagine I hit somebody. Just imagine.
Boom. Wait for it.
Or.
Wait for it. 3. It's gonna be a hit in 3, 2, 1. Boom. No, it wasn't a hit, bro. Come on.
Fuck.
Bro, shut up, bro.
You got 0 kills.
Okay, I'm okay, maybe. So, kills don't really matter on me.
Bro, where's the kids at?
I don't. Here's some mammoth ammo for you.
Oh heck, nah, that is not
Here's
me.
some
I'm
mammoth
good. I
ammo.
don't need no more. I need more. I got 30. I got
Take more
30.
mammoth ammo.
I got 34. Chill.
You can take more.
I don't care.
What do you mean you don't care?
Oh, I already got mammoth ammo now. I just gotta take this big pot and take this impulses.
They're not impulses. Bro is stuck in OG, bro. Thank you.
That's mine.
I'm just kidding.
Give it to me. I glittery. You're built like doo.
But you're only saying that because I took your
Kids over here.
and then I gave them back. Oh heck no. Yeah, it's not my fault if you die. I'm gonna chill out over here, bro.
Okay, fine. Dan, you don't want to win the game. I'm just gonna sell it.
No, I do not want to fight those kids, bro. What if you're so sweaty?
I thought you said you was
you
good.
Go fight them.
I thought you said you was so good at the game.
Better than you, but yeah, I'm super good.
Okay then, go fight him then.
I don't feel like it.
Kid over here, kid over here.
What do you mean, kid over here? I don't understand.
Over here.
I hit him for 27 blue.
Then come get him.
I hit him for 27 blue shield. Imagine saying blue shield. Ah! Oh shoot! I got a boogie bomb.
Take it.
Ah! Ah! No, dude, where are you? Dude, where are you?
But you can respawn.
Ah! But I have a missile. Ah! Somebody help me, bro. What are you doing?
What are you doing? You shouldn't be coming over
Help
here.
me, please. What? No. I'm just gonna. Yes. 40
They're
on
shooting
him,
me
40
down.
on him, 40 on him.
Bro, they're shooting. Oh, they're not. No, they're not. Yeah, he's over there. It's over here.
Oh shoot, they rotated a lot. I didn't even see that. Are those the same people?
Yeah, them the same people that we tried to kill.
Look at my neck, bro. What is that? Yeah, after this match, it'll be quick.
Well, what do you have to do, bro?
After this match, I'm probably gonna eat a waffle. Maybe.
Yeah, I have to eat too, bro. We need to break this, so we need some more mats.
Sa. There's a sa over here. A sa is a supply
Jane,
drop.
there's so much supply drops. Chill. Why there's so much? I'm taking out one that I just marked. My friend
There's
invited
so
me.
many says, bro. You can take all that. I don't want any. Thank you, Fortnite, for bringing the charger back.
Same kid. White. He's so white.
Whitened. Ooh.
Bro, my friend Penley keeps on inviting me. Like, stop. I'm literally see I'm playing the game right now.
I'm like, what are we playing the game right now? Like, what are we?
What are we? I'm with you playing a game right now. What are we? And my other friends are fighting me. What do you want?
Timed penny?
Trey,
Yeah.
you wanna play Roblox?
You wanna play Roblox after this game?
Bro, you play Roblox?
Yeah, I play Roblox. I always play with him. I played with him since he was 9 years old. Since I was 8. Since I was 8, I played with him.
You still play Roblox?
Yeah, I still play with him. Dang, move your booty at my face. No, actually, you want to get out of my way. Oh.
28 on him, 28 on him, 28 on him.
Bro, she tried to snipe me. That's crazy. Oh,
Forty-three
wow, I thought I
on him,
was-
43
Yo,
on him,
you can
43 on
wait
him.
for this.
43 on him, 43 on him.
Wait, guys, how much is Chun-Li?
Like 1,200.
Cracked. He's low,
1,200.
he's low, he's low, he's low, he's low.
Oh, it's
You wanna push? You wanna
1,600.
push, bro?
Yeah, sure, let's push it. Why does
I want to buy something so bad that I can't.
I would buy Chun-Li if I were you.
Kissy face, sent to the phone. I got
They're
it.
over
Knock,
here.
knock, knock.
Don't go, don't push.
I knocked him. Knocked.
That's what I'm on. Yeah. So give me something I can feel.
The one low for you? They're healing?
No, Bob! 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 No, please!
Dead.
But good job.
I'm actually so good at this game right now.
But do they have a crown?
No, they don't have any crowns.
Dang, they're dude
Oh,
warriors.
that?
Wait, Trey.
Oh snap. I'm taking that
Trey.
crown. Yeah.
I'm gonna play like a couple of games with y'all, and then we play Roblox.
You want a
Cause I
crack?
want to
Do you
get
have
it
any,
good.
like,
Because I haven't
I
gotten
only
it
have
with this.
minis. Do you have any
No.
heals?
What?
Yeah, I've been here. I have
Ooh,
heals.
kids over here?
I have heals.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
He was his teammate.
Did you knock one?
Trey. I.
Imagine playing against Chun-Li and we're all cooking.
I'm wearing the most Aura Farm skin.
What is it?
Robin.
Oh, I have that.
Gee willikers, guys.
Yeah, I don't have no more responses from me. I don't know why.
I'm a robber.
Ooh, take this. No. You gotta move forward, and that's
I
what
make
chose.
drugs.
Yo. Dude, the storm's gonna get us, bro.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Gotta move up.
And I shoot people in no time.
Oh, where are you?
I need me bullets.
I'm building so I don't have to fall if
I
you die.
need
Okay, we're
me
in the
bullets.
Okay. Okay,
Like Jesus said, I'm gonna dance,
Oh, I thought that was another guy about to say, what, you scared me.
What?
No, my friend got in front of me and I thought that was another guy that was trying to kill me. And Bill's actually camping in the build. Yeah, I see it, buddy.
They got jetpacks? What the heck?
Yeah, they been had jetpacks.
Can somebody give me Chun-Li?
Yo, I just saw when he went over there. He was like right in front of me, and then I forgot to shoot him.
What do you have is to one like the way the candy flow? I don't want to give it away no more. I'm ready to break down those standards, so I can't let you go. Just smile like your face. La say. Yeah. I want to see if you can get a Fortnite.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up, Trey? Yo, what's up, bro?
Oh shit. He's not picking up pictures. Dude, you're not winning the heat off, bro. You're not winning.
I'm dead.
Alright, y'all.
I'm dead.